In this video, I will show you how to download IMDb application on your smart TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. So on your smart TV, first thing you have to connect to the internet, and if you don't have Google Play Store or App Store to install the IMDb application to your smart TV, you can use this intermediary application downloader. Downloader is not a Google Play Store, it's just an intermediary application that helps you sort out files, APKs, apps from across the internet and download them to your smart TV. If you don't download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to help you get downloaded to your smart TV. So after following the link and getting downloaded to your smart TV, you just have to launch the application. And once you come over to a search bar here, we are searching for IMDb app. So you're just going to go ahead and type in IMDb application and click on go. Once you click on go, downloader is going to show you the various sources on the internet to download IMDb app to your smart TV. So you can scroll through them a little bit. See, that's an option. You can come over here and click on next and see other options. And as you can see on my screen here, here's an option to download IMDb application onto our smart TV. This is just one in many options. So if you launch that, you're going to see an install button here. Just click on it, and the application will be installed or downloaded to your smart TV. So here's one of the options. You can use downloader to search for various other options by just clicking IMDb download. And if you see any options, you just have to follow it and then click on the install download button, and the application will be downloaded to your smart TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful.